Now I don't know how I'm gonna continue with my life now. Zaid, what have you done? Somebody said, मेरा दिमाग चोद दिया.
Very. Like, hello.
क्या चल रहा है? What are you? Everybody's typing their phone numbers out. Zaid, what kind of powers do you
Yeah.
have?
They're
What
trying to
have you
guess your
done?
phone number. They're trying to guess your phone number, man. Like only 5 digits,
That's
but
cool. Wow, what fun. I'm ready. I've erased everything in my mind. But they finished jo chal raha tha. I mean, what were you doing?
I was just asking people to tell me numbers because they're going to try doing something with numbers a little later on. So I'm
All
just
right.
trying to find out how people think.
ठीक है. मैं ready
Find
ऐसा.
find a comfortable spot to sit and wherever. Like, let me know.
There are no comfortable spots in my house. Trust me. Ready.
Awesome, awesome. It comes. First, I want to check if the audio is all right too, because usually there's
Your
like an
audio is
echo issue on
fantastic.
Instagram
I
Live.
can hear you clearly. We should ask people in the chat.
Yeah,
सब ठीक है भाई लोग, सबका ऑडियो अच्छा चल रहा है, ऑडियो वीडियो.
give us thumbs up if audio is clear.
कैसा है जय?
Audio is clear. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So, for everybody watching, I want to tell them one thing. Jose agreed to do this on one condition
What is
that
that?
I wouldn't ask him when he's bringing Kanmasti back. So,
Oh shit.
nobody spam the comments. Please do not spam the comments asking him when he's bringing Kanmasti back.
बहुत funny. By the way, just
Okay?
before the questions come, hey, Gaurav Kapoor is here.
Oh
Oh,
shit! Hello.
Gaurav Kapoor has said to sing a song to check the audio, and because if Gaurav Kapoor asks you to do something, I will do it immediately. So here we go.
Yes.
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल, गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल. I hope the audio was good.
Hope the video
Gaurav,
was also good.
thanks for coming. Kan Masti आएगा. In fact, I recorded yesterday. So in a month, I'll finish editing it. And we'll be ready.
Just
नहीं
one
आएगा,
month
आएगा.
ago. Yeah, it's been 3 months since the last episode, right?
How dare you keep track of these things? Huh? नहीं, I'm trying to take this whole video thing seriously and all. तो आएगा.
Yeah.
Actually आ रहा है
Awesome.
soon. 1-2 दिन में next episode.
Super. But I've been watching. I've been closely following your channel. Of course, Binod comment mein. But I've been closely following your YouTube channel, and you've been gaming, like streaming a lot right now. You've been
Yeah, I
streaming a lot
just
of games.
started thoda wo, like I've said it in one of the streams also. It's so easy.
Hmm.
You sit there, don't do anything, you just play games, and people are in the chat, and so that is appealing to me. The level of laziness required for that is perfect. So I'm
And
liking
it's
it.
the dream, right? It's the dream.
It is
So,
a dream.
so as promised, I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna ask you when you're bringing Kanmasti back.
No
So
problem.
we'll come to the second favorite content, okay, which is misheard lyrics. Uh, and if I'm not wrong, it's based off the Mecca principle, right?
I don't know. My
Mis-
principal never spoke to me much, but this it's what's it? Some the Mondegreen or whatever. I didn't come up with that stuff. I mean, I only did the Desi song, so that's why it like sort of did well and
huh,
all. But people have been doing Mr. Lyrics for like thousands of years. The ancients, they've been doing it. What the alright.
correct. So it's something we use a lot as magicians, as mentalists, because essentially what it is uh, your lip.
Keeping the
It works
brain.
when you speak as well. You're tricking the brain. You're bypassing your conscious mind in a way,
Oh my
right? Because
god.
your mind is focusing on what it sees. It often automatically assumes what it hears is in relation to what it
Yeah.
sees.
It fills up those gaps. Yeah.
Exactly. So it's something that we do very often, and we're gonna try seeing if it works here as well. Okay, we've been playing a lot. You've been playing a lot of video games, right? So
Yes,
I
Mama.
have a list. Yeah, and I just realized how cringy the term video game sounds.
No, no, no. It just means that you and me are both from the 90s, from the 80s
Yes.
and the 90s.
90s. Oh, 80s and 90s.
80s बहुत ज़्यादा
Alright.
दिया.
So I have a list of about 100 games. Okay. I went to IGN's top 100 games
Oh my
and I
God.
just copy pasted that list.
Okay.
And about 100 games. And we're going to do something with you alone first. Then we'll involve all the people watching.
ठीक है.
Cool? So
Everyone's
you saw
ready.
people typing out numbers when you entered, right? People are typing out random 6-digit numbers, like big numbers. We'll come to that bit a little later. Right now, we'll do something with smaller numbers. So
Okay.
100 games is what I have. And I want you to name a number, give me a number between 1 and 100. Let this not be the first number that pops into your mind because usually that's like a psychological trap. It's either 27, 23. But don't let
Yeah.
this information influence you in any way. So any number
Please tell me
between
now. Ah, I
so
used to
any
do
number
that.
between 1 and 100. Change your mind a few
Can
times if you want. Let it
can it
not be
be
the first.
between 1 and 50 because 50 के आगे मेरे को आते नहीं. 50 के
No
है.
problem.
Okay, I'll try. Okay. I got a
Anything.
number. I got a number. Hey,
You
हो
can
गया,
tell
हो
me
गया.
what it is. You can see that I'm not doing anything funny.
No,
But
मैं
change
नहीं
your mind a
बताऊंगा.
few times.
No, 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 no. Oh, I can change my mind a few times. Okay.
You can change your mind as many times as you want. Okay, let me know only when you're comfortable.
ठीक है. If give me 5-10 minutes, मैं अभी आता है 5 मिनट में. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Definitely. By then there are 69 already here.
Of course, all Khan Masti listeners.
Of course.
I'm ready. Oh, I'm supposed to tell you the number.
Yeah, you can tell me the number. Wait, I just want to make sure you can see my screen clearly that the brightness is fine. Huh.
ठीक है. थोड़ा इस तरफ लेके आओ. Bring it closer to your face. I can't see your phone. हाँ. Why
Of
are you
course.
showing me your phone ऐसा ही? The list
You
is
can tell
there.
me the number.
The number is 74.
74. You said 1 to 50. What is this cheating? But it's okay. 74 is.
No, we decided. Okay. 1 to
It's
50.
fine. It's fine. It's fine. One. So can you read?
Sometimes.
Can you read the list? Can you read the list? Okay, but you can see there's like a bunch of numbers.
I
I'll make
can
it.
see there's a list. Yeah.
You can see the list. Can you read what is written?
No, I cannot. But if you bring it closer, maybe I can. It's horizontally inverted thoda.
I'll do one thing. I'll take one screenshot
ठीक है.
and I'll make it bigger.
Yeah, and flip it also horizontally. वो
Oh,
edit में मिलेगा तेरे को crop. Don't worry, it's sub live है.
इतना
I'm watching you. You can't do any cheating
technology
now.
इतना नहीं आता मेरे को. But you can see that they're all different
Oh
games,
yeah,
right?
I see.
Can you read out the names?
Okay. Oh God, I'm gonna try. Oh my God, they're all backwards. रुक एक सेकंड मैं करेगा. रुक एक मिनट. Is it possible? Okay.
Oh wow.
I'm holding it up to a mirror. 64 Final Fantasy 65 Mass Effect 2.
But they're all different games. They're not all the same games, right?
Yeah. Okay.
And the number you gave me was 74,
Yeah.
right? But I haven't asked you to think of a certain game already.
Oh my God! No. Why
And I
is
told you I
74?
wouldn't ask you to bring Kanmasti back, but you did this yourself.
It says bring Khan Masti back. माँ की यार कैसा किया? What the hell?
I didn't do it. You did it. You picked 74.
And you know what? I picked 67, then I picked 68, then I picked 69 because somebody typed it there. And only when you asked me, I said 74. Hey, what the fuck? No. कुछ गोची है. Maybe you came and whispered in my ear while I was sleeping or something.
Remember, I sent you a text saying, I'll only ask you how many times, I'll only ask you these many times to bring Kanmasti back.
This is messed up, bro. What is this? Have you done some deal with the devil or some politician or something? क्या है? बाप रे.
Politicians are harder to deal with.
Listen, I'm going to continue this live only if you promise to tell me how you did it at the end.
In the end, no. But there was something with a smaller number, right? 1 to 100. And it was with one person. So it's relatively easy to do. Now we'll come to the more challenging part.
Okay.
We're going to try. सबसे free मिला. It's free.
No, now people will be like, क्या बात है? Nescafe has sponsored his stream and all that. You should do more of this.
I'm hoping somebody from Nescafe is watching it so that they can now give me money.
या बीच में मर्सिडीज का लोगो डाल देना वैसे.
Okay, now to the more exciting part. Okay. And this is what you saw when when you came in and people were commenting random numbers. So we're going to try involving everybody who's watching this right now. The 225 people watching this right now, we're going to involve all of you.
Oh wow.
I have a prediction here, and everybody is going to try and arrive at this prediction. Kidhar hai wo? Kidhar? Okay, and you're going to facilitate this in a way because you'll be making they'll give you the options, you'll be making the decision. Okay, now
Okay.
this is dependent on the internet, and but first we're gonna make sure that this is a regular calculator. So give me like a simple calculation that you can do mentally, like a 1+1 or something.
Oh, you just want me to give you any calculation?
Yeah, something simple.
Simple, right? Okay. 9 plus 6.
9 plus 6 is
Oh my, I didn't know this was going to be this
15.
tough. 15.
15. Like something else, we'll just make sure that 1+1 or 1+3 is 4.
4.
Correct. So what I'd like everybody to do right now is just write random numbers between 1 to 10 digits. Okay? Like a phone number. Start writing random phone numbers.
Hey, this is that scam where people get everyone's phone number.
Not your phone number. This doesn't have to be a real phone number. Don't start it with like a 9 or something, or an 8 or a 7. Yeah, 7 only max, no? Like you don't have phone numbers starting with 6 now in India. So can everybody please start commenting random 10-digit numbers?
Even
And Jose, you're going to pick a few of them.
Okay.
So people, please start commenting random 10-digit numbers.
Oh my god.
Yeah, people need time to think of 10-digit numbers.
Floofit, of course, went for 69, 69. Even your friend has typed 69, 69. Kaisa dost
Of course. So pick one.
Pick anyone?
Yeah, pick anyone. Pick anyone.
My god, so many going through. Okay, let's go with Vineet Khatri. Vineet Khatri.
And the number is?
Arre baapre. 6677 888 294.
6677 888 294.
So sent in to us by Vineet _Khatri.
Plus, and now like a random 5-digit number. It's a lot easier to come up with a random 5-digit number. So like a random 5-digit number. People start commenting random 5-digit numbers, and Jose, you're going to pick one of them.
Okay.
Random 5-digit numbers. Start commenting random 5-digit numbers.
Thank you, Amay. Since Amay did the first one, let's go with Amay. 56475.
56475. Okay, we'll do one more calculation, max. You want to do one more or two more? Up to you. And this time you choose the digits. And this time you choose the digits. How many digits? 1 to 9. Nice. How many?
Damn. Okay. Let's go one more time, and we'll go with 8 digits.
8 digits. Okay. Yes, sir. Like a random 8-digit number.
Okay, go for it, chat.
People start commenting random 8-digit numbers.
8-digit numbers.
Are we supposed to call them Janta now?
You can call them whatever you want. On the Kanmasti, people like to be called the Lendu Kami. Like, like how Tanmay has the pond.
Right.
The lake Lendu Kami.
Okay, I'm going to come to Lenduk.
Oh no, don't tell me that. Part of this. Okay, we were looking for a 8-digit number, right?
Yeah, you decided. If you want to change your mind, you can.
Oh my god,
8-digit
I can change my mind halfway through also. No. Since you told me to change my mind, I will not change my mind.
That's what happens. No, like you give the person an option to change their mind and they want to hold on to it even more.
Oh, no, then I want to change it. Oh. But did you try it? Okay, let's go with Joel Godino.
Joel Godino, what's his number?
जोएल गुडिनो रे किती मोठा त्यांगे नंबर आहा 64729174
एक minute. 647 29
174.
1. ठीक है. Do you want to do one more, or are you happy with this?
I mean, happiness is a relative thing, but I'll go with. You're trying to trick me, I think. Okay, एक और करते हैं. This time 4 digits.
ठीक है. 4 digits.
Okay.
Now you
Everybody
tell me the
chat.
4 digits, or you want to pick. Okay, let's do this. Let the chat decide.
Okay, chat. Either you do the 4 digits, or I will come up with 4 digits. You know what we'll do? Chat. Everybody put in your 4 digits. Keep on putting your 4 digits, guys. Go for it. 4 digits. And now we'll ignore that. And I will give you 4 digits. Okay, I'm giving you my 4 digits. Ready?
Go for it.
7431.
7431. ठीक है. Okay. Are you happy with that?
Like I said, I don't know about being happy, but yes, we're okay with this.
Alright. So, oh shit. I think गलत हो गया. But never mind. Just let's remember this number. 7100437.
Loop बना रहा है आपको. 71. What's that?
00437. Can we'll
One sec. Hold it
can
to the screen. I'm taking a screenshot.
take a screenshot and then if we can pin it in the comments.
7100437. Okay. 7100437. Done.
Yeah, if you can, let's just pin it in the comments, no, so that we have that number, because I kind of fucked this up here.
How do I pin it? Only you can pin it, I think.
Oh, only I can pin it. Oh shit.
मैं लिख दूं क्या?
हाँ लिख दो, मैं पिन कर देता हूँ.
I can write it on the wall. No, I posted it there. अभी निकल गया.
अच्छा, I'll do it. 7
5 minute waste हो गया. People are commenting. Kidding? मेरा
7100437.
Hey, no.
Okay, and make sure I'm not.
Yeah, correct.
I'm not cheating. Okay, this is the number because, and if I was cheating, I would make this match with this prediction, which it does not right now.
Somebody said you have to double tap. Hey, wait! Somebody said you have to double tap the comment. So if you can double tap one of those, you'll be able to pin the number.
Oh no, but I already pinned it. Make sure that's the right number. 71.
I see it. 7100437. भाई लोग ये correct है ना? ये लोग किसका भरोसा नहीं है? हमको उल्लू बनाना हमको. ठीक है.
Now, I told you that I messed this up, and I did, because this is not the number that I had.
Okay.
The number that I had was 17504440071, which is not correct. So we'll do something with your number, which is, let me write this down, okay? This is the number that I thought you'd get. Kind of messed this up, but we'll write your number down, which is 71
00437.
Okay, I'm trying to write this. I wrote this in the mirror format. Handwriting thoda aatti hai. This is the number.
Thoda closely to check if you are cheating.
7100437.
What? Yeah. Okay. Sorry. It's horizontally inverted. Let me go to my mirror again. What luck we have mirrors. Let me just check if you're telling the truth. अरे इधर भी उल्टा लग रहा है. What's happening?
उल्टा है. 7100437.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Correct.
Cool. But the thing is, what I wanted people to come up with this number so that this upside down would spell Khan Masti. But we did ask the internet. And the internet is unpredictable, and it's impossible for me to influence 400 people at a time.
Correct.
So what the internet decided was not Khan Masti, but the internet wanted.
Oh my God.
Lendo.
Wow.
Of course, the Lendo Kami wanted Lendo. हाँ देख लो.
What the hell? साला तुम्हारा लाइफ में भी लेंडुक्स है बहुत सारे.
Yes,
Bro,
thank you, Lindu Kami, for giving me Lenduk.
I can guarantee you people are going to watch this back, go back and try to be like, हाँ, हाँ, वो नंबर ठीक था, वो नहीं था, लेंडुक कान मस्ती. हाँ. Bro, hysterical. Wow. Unbelievable.
Thank you.
My
Yeah,
God.
yeah, thank you. I was a little worried that Binod niklega, but I'm happy Lenduk nikla.
This is very strange because, see, as it is, I have trust issues with the world. And this is even crazier. Now I don't know how I'm gonna continue with my life now. Zaid, what have you done? Somebody said, Mera dimag chod diya.
I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. There'll be a lot more of these coming up, and yeah, share this with your friends. If you didn't like it, share it with people you don't like, but yeah, do something. Don't just sit there and watch. I mean, sit there and watch and then do something. Okay?